it, I'ma go get it, yeah. I want it, I'ma go get it, yeah. I want it, I'ma go get it, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. If you're not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on this passion twist. Now, there's a lot of different ways I've seen people do it. I did the elastic band method, then I used the crochet needle to pull the hair through, yada yada yada. You guys are gonna see it. I used 7 packs of the FREETRESS water wave hair. The length was 20 inches and the color is 1B. I wasn't really paying attention to the time. I was recording, so I do have the time, so I'll put it somewhere on the screen. Would tell you guys where I got this hair, but to be quite honest, they're super unreliable. They took forever to ship. Their customer, I wouldn't say customer care because I feel like they did respond to my emails, but as far as communicating with their customers, they don't do that unless you reach out to them. And I feel like as a business, it's important for you to let me know that you're sending me 11 packs of hair instead of 13 packs of hair. They sent 1 hair product instead of 3. They did not overcharge me or anything. I did check, but you know, I reached out to them and they emailed me this morning. I'll read the email for you guys. I'll read what I said. I said, hey, I just got my order and I realized that you guys didn't send a few items. I ordered 13 packs of hair and I only got 11. I also didn't receive the other 2 hair products that I ordered. What's up with that? And then they replied and said, hello, I do apologize on the removal of the items. Unfortunately, we were unable to get those from the supplier to fulfill your order. Have to remove them to get your order shipped for you. For the inconvenience, please use discount code, and they put a discount code on your next order for 10% off. If you look back at your statement, you will see only 1 charge for the price of your delivery order and the authorized pending hold drop from your order. Thank you for your patience. Have a great day. Yeah, I'm not gonna ever order anything from them ever again, because I just don't like the fact that I have to reach out to you as a company to say, like, you know, you guys didn't send all my orders. They knew. You know what I mean? If they didn't know and they're like, oh, I'm sorry, we'll send you the rest of the stuff, then it would have been different. But it's like, you guys knew and you decided to not update me or, you know, like not make me aware of the situation. I know I've been talking for a while. Hopefully I've edited it to not make it this long. So I've done half of my hair and I'll show you guys. I'm doing this half of the top half. It's pretty simple. I do get frustrated sometimes. I'm tender-headed and it hurts to pull the hair through. So yeah, I take 2 of these, and what I would normally do is so this is 2 separated. Alright guys, so we're at the last two. Finally. This took me a very long time to get here and I'm super proud of myself. Now I'm tucking the hair away, you know, that last little piece that you're not quite sure how to tuck away, just tucking it under the rest of the braid. I'm using the Dual Grow Detangler to obviously detangle my hair. Now I'm using the elastic band to, you know, this is the elastic band method. I'm using the elastic band to secure my hair, pretty much. In a few seconds, I'm going to show you that I am leaving enough space to pull the hair through. I've learned that the hard way. Now I'm pulling the hair apart. It's pretty easy, guys. Now I'm wrapping it around my finger. This makes it a lot easier to add it onto the crochet needle. Yeah, so now I'm putting it through. Pull. There we go. Now I'm going to use the elastic band and kind of pull it down so it gets a little tighter. Then I'm going to start plaiting. And I'm plaiting the hair for about an inch. Then I would separate my hair into two with the other two parts of the braid and start twisting. I wish I got a close-up for you guys for that part, but honestly I thought you guys would have seen it. I was so tired, I really wasn't thinking about it too much. And every few twists I would stop and pull it so it would get tighter. Right there I'm showing you guys that that's the end of my hair, so I use the edge control to just secure it with the braid so it could blend better. In a few seconds you're gonna see what I'm talking about when I said I would pull it every couple of twists just to secure it, because this curl does get loose pretty easily and you don't want it to get too messy too quick. The aim of this style is to let the hair not look too neat. It's supposed to look like your natural hair, so yeah, but you still want it to stay put. I guess I'm just showing you guys the ends, how it looked. Normally I would cut the ends, but I guess I didn't for that one. I'm doing the same thing. The only thing different that I'm doing is adding the edge control to my hair, and honestly it's because it's my edges. I wouldn't do this for my entire head. Using too much of this tends to leave like a white residue and it's really not cute. I'm using the little edge control brush, well, edge brush that I have to kind of get it a bit neater. So I'm adding the rubber bands and I'm plaiting the hair in for about an inch. Then I would separate my hair into two and then start twisting it with the braid. Alright guys, so right now I'm using the Jane Carter Solution Natural Twist Out Foam. Right now I'm just adding it all over my hair. This gave my hair an extra shine and a little extra hold, and I figured it's a nice touch to add on to my actual natural hair. And I'm doing this on both sides. Now I'm going to be using the edge control that you're about to see in a couple seconds, but the edge control that I'll be using is from Style Factory. It's their Edge Booster. It's a Stronghold water-based pomade, and this is in the scent Pineapple. Now be careful when you're using it. It tends to leave a white residue if you leave too much, and I also go in with a little oil on my edges, so just to not make it leave that white residue. And here we go, voila, this is it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Get it.